Hello students, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, yesterday we have done the topic that is revision of animals and birds. And today we move forward to our next theme, that is plants. And our today's topic is flowers. Now let's start. Flowers are the reproductive parts of flowering plant. A flower is a special part of plant. Flowers are also called the bloom or blossom of a plant. Flowers have petals. Petals are the parts which produce pollen and seeds. The primary purpose of flower is reproduction. Flowers important in nature is everywhere. They can feed insects, birds, animals and humans. It also provides natural medicines for humans and some animals. Without flowers, plants would be green and the world would be a duller place. The beauty of flower is a byproduct of what it takes for the plant to attract pollinator. Okay students, now after this I recite a rhyme, that is Ringa Ringa Roses. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies, Aisha, Boisha, we all fall down. Now again. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies, Aisha, Boisha, we all fall down. Now students, after this you go to the garden or park with your parents and then you count the number of flowers on different plants. Okay, like if you see the rose plant, then you count the number of flowers of that plant. Okay students, now open page number 38 and 39 of your Icon Explorer book number 3. In these pages, students, you see the different flowers and parents, you point to each one and your children tell the name of that flower. Students, you also tell the name of your favorite flower. Okay. Now, I recite a rhyme, that is rhyme on letter L. Students, you also learn this rhyme from my study gear app. L, little lovely ladybirds. L is little lovely ladybirds landing on a lily pad. They are lost and cannot find Mama, so they are very sad. Now again. L is little lovely ladybirds landing on a lily pad. They are lost and cannot find Mama, so they are very sad. Now students, after this make the letter L on the sheet of paper and after that paste the leaves the shape of letter L like this. Okay students, you have to paste the leaves the shape of letter L. Now open page number 40 of your Icon Explorer book number 3. Here you see the letter L. L is for lamp, L is for lotus, L is for lily. Students, firstly you write the letter L with tracing, and after that you write L without tracing. Now again I recite a rhyme, that is one little lily. One little lily had nothing much to do. Out popped another one, then there are two. Two little lilies were smiling at a bee. Out popped one another, then they were three. Three little lilies were growing by the door. Out popped another one, then there were four. Four little lilies were glad to be alive. Out popped one another, then they were five. Five little lilies were wearing golden crowns. They danced in the breeze in bright green gowns. All the lilies having lots of fun, glad to be alive and smiling at the sun. Now students, again. One little lily had nothing much to do. Out popped one another, then there were two. Two little lilies were smiling at a bee. Out popped one another, then there were three. Three little lilies were growing by the door. Out popped one another, then there were four. Four little lilies were glad to be alive. Out popped one another, then there were five. Five little lilies were wearing golden crowns. They danced in the breeze in bright green gowns. All the little lilies having lots of fun, glad to be alive and smiling at the sun. Now students, after this you draw the flower and after that color the flower. Okay. Now open page number 41 of your Icon Explorer book number 3. Students, in this page you see various objects, and from these objects you tick only that those start with letter L. Okay students, you have to tick only that objects those start with letter L. Now students, open your workbook and open page number 14 and 40. On page number 14 you see the letter capital L, and on page number 40 you see the letter small l. Student, you write the capital L and small l firstly on dots, and after that you write without dots. Okay students, now your homework is to draw the flower on paper and color that flower. Okay students, you have to draw the flower on the paper and after that color that flower. Students, after completing this you send me the pics of flower, and you also do all the pages of Icon Explorer book number 3 and workbook. And students, learn the rhymes, that is Ringa Ringa Roses and One Little Lily. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a bright day.